Hey, book lovers! Have you ever wondered where your favorite authors got their inspiration for their famous novels? Well, in this video, we'll be taking a tour of 10 locations in Europe that inspired some of the most popular books of all time. From Hogwarts Castle to Dracula's castle, these destinations will transport you into the pages of your favorite books. So, buckle up and let's get started. Alnwick Castle, UK. Our first stop is Alnwick Castle in Northumberland, England. This majestic castle served as the filming location for many scenes in the Harry Potter series by J.K. Rowling, including the famous flying lessons. It's also said to have inspired the iconic Hogwarts Castle, with its imposing turrets and magnificent architecture. So, if you're a Potterhead, a visit to Alnwick Castle is a must. The Louvre Museum. Next up, we have the Louvre Museum in Paris, France. This iconic museum is home to some of the most famous art pieces in the world, including the Mona Lisa. It also played a major role in Dan Brown's best-selling novel, The Da Vinci Code. Follow in the footsteps of Robert Langdon and explore the museum's vast collection of art while unraveling the secrets of the book. Rosslyn Chapel, Scotland. Our third stop takes us to Scotland, where we'll visit Rosslyn Chapel. This stunning chapel is said to be the final resting place of the Holy Grail and is a key location also in the Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. With its intricate carvings and mysterious history, Rosslyn Chapel is a must-visit for anyone who's a fan of the book. The English countryside. Our next destination is not a specific location but rather an entire region. J.R.R. Tolkien was inspired by the idyllic and pastoral setting of the English countryside, particularly the rural areas around Warwickshire and Oxfordshire, for the Shire in the Lord of the Rings series. Take a stroll through the rolling hills and charming villages and let your imagination run wild. Bran Castle, Romania. No list of books inspired by European locations would be complete without a visit to Dracula's castle in Romania. Bram Stoker's novel is set in Transylvania, and Bran Castle is believed to have been the inspiration for the infamous Count Dracula's castle. With its Gothic architecture and spooky history, Bran Castle is sure to send shivers down your spine. Edinburgh, Scotland. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter series is set in a fictional world, but Rowling was inspired by the city's dark and mysterious atmosphere when creating the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Visitors to Edinburgh can visit the city's many castles and historic landmarks, including Edinburgh Castle, which is said to have inspired the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. Venice, Italy. Another location that inspired a best-selling book is Venice, Italy. Donna Tartt's The Goldfinch is set in this beautiful city, known for its winding canals and stunning architecture. The book takes readers on a journey through the city's iconic landmarks, including the Piazza San Marco and the Rialto Bridge. Oxford University, UK. Our seventh stop takes us to Oxford University in England, which served as the inspiration for Philip Pullman's His Dark Materials series. Follow in the footsteps of Lyra and Will and explore the university's beautiful campuses and libraries, which served as the setting for many of the book's pivotal scenes. City of Barcelona, Spain. The Shadow of the Wind by Carlos Ruiz Zafón is set in this historic city, and takes readers on a journey through the winding streets and hidden alleys of Barcelona's Gothic quarter. Visitors can explore the city's many landmarks, including the stunning Sagrada Familia Cathedral, which features prominently in the book. Camino de Santiago, Spain. The inspiration for the pilgrimage came from author Paulo Coelho's own experience walking the Camino de Santiago. The route has a long and rich history as a Christian pilgrimage, with many people undertaking the journey to visit the tomb of St. James in the Cathedral of Santiago de Compostela. The length of the routes varies depending on the starting point, but the most popular route, the Camino Francis, is approximately 780 kilometers, 485 miles, long. Paris, France. The next location that inspired a best-selling book is Paris, France, and it is none other than the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. Victor Hugo's The Hunchback of Notre Dame is set in and around this Gothic masterpiece, which is known for its stunning architecture and intricate details. Crete, Greece. The Island by Victoria Hislop is a novel that is inspired from author's family in Greece. Her search takes her to the small Greek island of Spinalonga, where her mother Sophia grew up in a colony of lepers was once quarantined. The novel explores themes of family, love, and the impact of disease on individuals and communities. The small island of Spinalonga, which was once a colony for lepers, is now a museum and visitors can see firsthand how lepers were forced to live. Paris, France. A Moveable Feast was published posthumously after Hemingway's death and is a memoir, describing events that took place during Hemingway's years as a young writer in Paris, with his first wife Hadley. The book, apart from containing stories from these years, catalogues places, restaurants, cafes and bars that Hemingway frequented in Paris. Portofino, Italy. Elizabeth von Arnim supposedly visited an Italianate castle perched high up on a cliff, in the location of beautiful Portofino, and the place inspired her to write Enchanted April. The book positively resonates with the beauty and warmth of the location. Kefalonia, Greece. Kefalonia is a Greek island in the Ionian Sea that was occupied by Italian forces during World War II. The novel Captain Corelli's Mandolin by Louis de Berniers is set on this island and revolves around the relationship between a Greek woman named Pelagia and an Italian soldier named Captain Antonio Corelli. Kefalonia has a rich history and stunning natural beauty, with picturesque villages and pristine beaches, making it a popular tourist destination today. These are just a few of the many locations in Europe that have inspired best-selling books. Whether you're a literature lover or just looking to explore some of the world's most iconic landmarks, these destinations offer a unique and inspiring travel experience. Which one of these books have you read? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.